Everyone, it is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so glad that you clicked on the thumbnail to see what I have today, an unboxing. However, I am super excited because it's a tube. Right, if you are a diamond painter, you understand there's boxes, there's bags, there's poured glue, there's double-sided adhesive, all the fun things. I always love a good tube. It kind of makes me want to buy it just because it comes in a tube. Can you imagine having a bunch of these stacked up, or you could do it this way and put your sticker on the end? How fun is that? And then, of course, the new thing now is they have different water bottle things to store in your cupboard. You could add, if you have tubes, you can get those water bottle things and like store your tubes. They don't roll everywhere. So that, I'm already sold you on it because it's the tube, right? But I got this from ARTDOT.com. So as you can see across the top, it already says ARTDOT. How fun is that? With the little diamond as the O. It also gives you all the instructions here, both like 1 through 9. It has pictures, it has language. It just shows you why you should diamond paint right down here. And then it shows you here if it's a beginner or advanced or pro for this particular painting. That's the painting we're about to open. Oh my gosh. Okay. I also want to let you know, if you like anything at artdot.com, use DPA to get your 10% off. That's on top of all the discounts. And if you're watching this right now, it's Black Friday weekend. They have a couple amazing discounts over there, as well as amazing storage. Okay, so I'm going to keep that going across the bottom for you guys. So included in here, it says, is a premium canvas, a diamond set, a pen, a tray, wax, color code sticker, and freestyle sticker. What's that? I wonder if that's a sticker, like we said, that you could put on the top of the tube. How fun. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this so, so much. All right, let's open this tube. And what's nice is it's not open on each side. You're just picking one side, because some companies, because they're open on each side, you accidentally get it pushed through. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I pulled this out. I pulled out the little toolkit, and then I will leave the diamond painting in and pull that out in just a minute, because I want to show you, look at look at this cuteness. Look at this accessory kit. It has a tray, a wax, and a pen, but there's something else in here. I did not realize that that was going to be in here. That is such a nice surprise. Thank you, Art Dot. And it has like the little blue thing to close it. Okay, let's look. Let's look here. All right, so this is a light blue. You can see the sparkles there. It's a single placer, and on the end it has 3 double placers. It has a blue squishy to match. And then how cute is this tray? Now, this tray is connectable to other trays. So as you get more Diamond Art Dot paintings, you're going to be able to connect them with each other and make yourself like 2 trays or 3 trays together, so you can work on confetti if you need to. They also give you a washi tape. How fun is that? They give you the blue heart wax. And this is what they meant by freestyle. These are their famous stickers. And so it looks like they put random ones in that you can use your leftover drills. That is a fantastic idea, because we all have leftover drills, because they stick 20 to 30% extra in here in case there's a spill, in case there's something messed up or whatnot. They want you to be covered. All right, so you get what we said in the kit. You get the washi tape, the wax, the tray, the pen, the squishy, and the freestyle stickers. Thank you, Art Dot. That's phenomenal. Nobody else does that. Okay. Now, what I like about Art Dot, which I've loved forever, is I have always loved, sorry, crinkle, crinkle. Let me stop talking while I do this. They have perfected the rounds because, right, they're ARTDOT. So look at these beautiful colors. These are absolutely fabulous. Okay, and as I'm looking, I'm seeing some ABs, which I'm going to show you. Look at that right here. How pretty is that? How pretty is that? Okay, and it says it's an AB right on the packaging. This is an AB 3755. And what I like is not only do they number their packaging, but you saw the DMC numbers as well. Here's a yellow AB right there. And I'm going to open the canvas so that shows us what ABs we actually have. Wait, oops, went over the desk. Okay. This is the painting. How beautiful. Can be any which way you want because they're butterflies. There are a lot of colors. Look how they show the ABs right here. It's a different color background. So this has two ABs, which we just saw, the yellow and the blue. Shows in here that the shape is round. There's 15,576 drills to be placed, that it's a 50 by 25 centimeters. And then it has a SKU number so that if your drills are separated from your canvas, you can match it up with that number right there. Okay, so it has 35 colors. And this is a really nice beginner because you're going to get the details. They did a great job with the rendering. You're going to get the details, but you also have so many colors that you can do. And we're going to look at the symbols up close and personal, okay? Let's see those symbols. See them right there? I know they're sideways, but that way I can see what you're seeing as well. And they do have the little round, what they call training circles, or some people like to call them dummy circles to help you know where to place them. But what I like about ARTDOT is it's not an actual circle. If you look again, it's faded. So it's the same color, they just faded the color. So when you do stick your rounds on there, it's not going to show an actual black circle or a white circle as it does with some companies. They have split up your key. So there's, here are the first 24 colors, and over here is 25 through 35. And then they also colored on the key. You can see here the P is a little bit different background, so you know you're going to be working with an AB. It is a soft felt lint. It is poured glue, which is really nice. And it does have the serging along the edge. And it has your information down here on the bottom right if you need support or you need to contact them at artdot.com. They have friendly and hassle-free customer service. And I will say they do have great service. So you get your sticker sheet. These peel off. So if you want to, use baggies, if you want to use containers, you've got your stickers, you've got your picture right here that you can cut out, or it's the half page. You can stick it in your log journal, or you can stick it on, what I like, it's already on the tube right here. So you know it's there. Otherwise, I would have stuck it on the tube on the outside. So guys, go check it out. They also are reasonably priced. Um, Definitely great for beginners. This one that I just showed you right now is starting at $9.99. So come on, people. That's a pretty decent price plus the 10% off. And as you can see, it comes right from the US. So if you are in the US, it's only going to take 2 to 3 days to deliver. If you buy several of their items to get yourself up to $35, you're going to get free shipping as well, which is really awesome. So go check out ARTDOT.com and use DPA for 10% off. I would love for you to check them out and let me know how you like ArtDot. So until next time, be blessed, take care, love you all. Bye bye.